On the matter of Senator Pato de la Rosa, no? First, we confirm that there is existing valid arrest warrant from the ICC. He is charged as a co-perpetrator in the crime against humanity. Second, we also likewise confirm also the fact that based on evidence, pieces of evidence we've relayed, information in the past few days, Senator Bato is not in the Senate premises. Third, yesterday, the Supreme Court did not issue a temporary restraining order. Neither was a status quo ante order was it. But the main case is still pending with the Supreme Court. Fourth, the arrest warrant is now enforced. So it will be enforced and it will be served to the person of Senator Bato.
So pwede na po bang magsagawa ng manhunt operation ang NBI, ang PNP?
Huwag na natin. Ang manhunt is a dramatic or a sarsuela word. They will affect the arrest warrant.
Meaning, sir, hindi na kumbaga wala na sir yung conditional arrest ng Friday na kapag nag-attempt siya na umalis ng bansa, saka lang siya hulihin. So ngayon, ibig sabihin, kahit nandito siya sa bansa, makita siya, pwede na siyang tamutin, arestuhin. Gano'n na po, sir.
Tama.